Are you trying to find your way to online success?
An introduction to the content of Online Success 3.0 eBook. This information is designed for beginners and people with intermediate knowledge of the online business world. After learning all the information we share, you will have a deep understanding of creating your own online business system. We have included links to online resources pages that includes links to all the tools, links and resources mentioned in the ebook along with a growing number of bonus materials. In order to make this ebook easy to read and learn the content, we have broken down the information into the following modules. 1. The fundamentals. A general introduction and overview to all the concepts and information contained in our materials. 2. Your action plan. Step-by-step instructions outlining how to set up an online business system and find the perfect business for your personality, situation, objectives, time availability and budget. 3. Domains and hosting. Detailed information about selecting and setting up the foundation of your #1 business asset. 4. Set up the system. How to install and configure powerful website software that gives you the most flexibility and opportunity for future business growth. 5. Your business opportunities. A comprehensive study of the different online business models, how they apply to your personality and the activities required to run them. 6. Checklists. A quick way to refresh your memory or follow the plans with lists of all the recommended actions and key information. 7. Online tools, links and resources. This ebook includes links to a special Online Success 3.0 tools and resources website. You will have access to live hyperlinks to everything we talk about in the ebook. Please visit the link below to watch our free video, explaining more about our ebook. Now,